Lokesh. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe as we upload all the time. So guys, in last video we have learnt about artificial intelligence. So we will start our course from today. So artificial intelligence suggests machine can mimic humans in. So basically artificial intelligence suggests the machines to mimic humans in the way of talking, thinking, learning, explaining and understanding. So in these ways artificial intelligence suggests the machines. So human intelligence above 70,000 years ago the human brain started developing. So being able to understand members and being able to understand language and being able to understand abstract thinking. So usually the human intelligence was started around 70,000 years ago. We are able to understand members like languages and abstracts and abstract and thinking about thinking. So languages. So languages, we have basically mind, words and numbers. So basically we have three kind of languages, as I said: mind, words and members. So numbers. So these numbers are also created in numbers, counting, calculating. So these numbers are used in three different ways, like you can see here: numbers, counting, calculating. So in these three different way we can use these numbers. Next, computers. This AI is a result of human need for doing complex calculation. So this is only being achieved using high speed computer. See, basically the computer was invented for the reason of calculating. So the AI results to reduce the complexity of calculations. So in this way we are using these computers for reducing our complexity towards the calculations. So mathematics. See, the main branch of the mathematics involved in AI are, so you can see here, basically the mathematics has main branches. You can see here: linear functions, linear graphics, algebra, probability and statistics. See, you can find these five are the basic branches of mathematics. These are used in AI, machine learning and other high-end technologies. So you can see here, this chapter provide the contents about the branches of the mathematical that we can use the data science projects, machine learning. As I said, you can see here data science, machine learning and deep learning. So these projects are these mathematical branches are used for creating AI, data science, machine learning, etc. So you can see here linear algebra. So AI expert can live without this algebra. So AI used for scalar, AI used for vectors, AI used for matrix, AI used for tensors. So basically this linear algebra cannot be, see, without this linear algebra AI is not there. So you can see here AI is used for scalar, AI is used to make vectors, AI makes use of matrix, AI makes use of tensors. So in this way AI uses for this algebra. So linear graphics. So what is linear graphic? Linear graphic means straighten. So a linear graph is in a straight line. So as linear graphics means it is a straight line. So in generally linear graph displays the linear function. So the graph of the linear graphics displays linear function. So probability. So what is probability? Probability is about likely something is probability number between 0 to 1. So basically what is probability? See, you can see here probability means the chances between 0 to 1 is known as the probability. So this is known as probability. Statistics. So how to collect, analysis and interpret and present the data. What is the most common and what is most expected and what is most normal. So basically, what are the statistics? Statistics means we are going to collect some information, and we are going to give it a common name, and we are going to express in a different way. This is known as the statistics. So AI sciences, you can see here, sculpturing and regression and precipitance and training. So these are AI sciences, you can see there. See, in this tutorial we have learnt the basic of AI courses. So in next tutorial we are going to learn what is AI. So just tune with our channel and just wait for our next video. Thank you.